Temu drones aren't that bad. They are garbage. Thank you all for being here tonight for our weekly airspace intervention and support circle. I know why you are here. You have been looking at tree branches like your ultimate nemesis, and your online shopping carts are overflowing with spare parts. Set the controller down. Nobody is taking your gear away today. We are just taking it one battery at a time. Who wants to share first?
Hello, my name is Brian, and I am a drone addict.
Hi, Brian.
Last night I had a Mavic 4 Pro combo in my shopping cart, and the cat jumped up onto the keyboard and deleted it. Honestly though, it saved my marriage.
True dat. Word. Who else has something to share? What about you, Julio?
Es muy difícil para mí estar aquí. No sé por dónde empezar. Mi dron volaba tan alto, hacía piruetas en el aire de izquierda a derecha, todo era perfecto, hasta que de repente se fue picada y se estrelló. Y se estrelló contra el suelo.
Damn, that's crazy, bro. Does anybody know what he said? Who else?
I got more.
Why don't we let somebody else speak right now?
Hi everyone, my name is Gary and it's been a really rough week. I haven't flown in 4 days.
Okay, everybody, let's keep focused. Focus. How about you, Rob? Do you got anything this week?
This is hard. Hey, I made some real growth this week. I only checked the wind forecast 3 times during my sister's wedding. That's big. I'm proud of myself. I guess I'm just taking it one day at a time. It's all any of us can really do.
Okay, we're gonna pivot here a little bit. Has anybody been following the news about the FCC and the drone ban that's coming up September 3rd?
I'm making a bulk order tonight. Who wants to go halves? Come on, who's gonna do it? Come on, guys. We're not gonna talk about that tonight. It's time to make the order. We're not gonna let old Twinkle Toes over here stop us from making a big order.
Anybody else got something?
The video you just watched, yeah, that's how this works. It's been up in my head for a while. I've been wanting to make that video. I want to thank everybody for watching. Just remember, it's meant to be funny. You know, there's a lot of times in life where you got to be serious. Save that for them times. This is meant to be funny, you know. I want to thank everyone for watching, and I especially want to thank my fiance for pushing me to make that video. I've been wanting to make it for a while, and I've been putting it off, and she pushed me to make it. And so I just want to say thanks, baby, for that. And I want to thank all my subscribers from the first one I had to where I'm at right now. Thanks for subscribing. Makes me feel really good, you know, and it's really cool that you want to watch my channel flying around drones and stuff. So that's what we're going to get back into. This is an episode 2 of Wisconsin at 400 feet or Iowa. I got a bunch of back footage I got to get caught up on. I've been working on this Drone Addicts Anonymous. And like I said, it was AI video, a little rough, but they're going to get better. Just like my drone flying is going to get better and better. But this is just some random spots in Wisconsin. Thanks for watching. Let's get this bird flying around in Wisconsin and get some cool footage.
Mm-hmm.